Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh here. I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade your Builderall. So once you log in, you're going to need to go over to your profile. I'm just logging into my account right here. You would get this welcome message. You can go ahead and close that. You're going to need to go over here to your profile. There's going to be a little arrow under your name. And you're going to need to click on account info. Now under account info, you're going to click on, let's see here, actually change your plan. At the top on the right. Okay, and you're going to take the $49.90 if you can. This is the plan that I use or will be using. This is what I'm going to stick to because all of the benefits, when you sign up with this right away, you're going to get some bonuses as well. So this is going to detect that I'm already inside of my account. So I will go ahead and click on continue. So once I sign up with this, I will no longer have the 7-day trial. And I'm going to pay with Stripe to pay with credit card. And then I'm going to put in my email address, my name, street, city, zip code, and then pay info down here. So once you do that, it's going to activate you at the $49.90 level or whatever level that you choose. I recommend a $49.90 because Builderall gives you some extra bonuses for signing up right away. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video.